So in this video we will see another type of interconversion concerning our haloalkane and haloarine chapter. We have to convert one bromopropane to two bromopropane. So first I will write the structure of one bromopropane. This is one bromopropane, bromine at one position. Okay, this is the starting compound. You have to start from here and you have to end at where? 2 bromopropane, means bromine at 2 position. This is your 2 bromopropane, bromine at 2 position. Okay, how to reach from 1 bromopropane? We have to reach till 2 bromopropane. This is our starting compound and here we have to end. Okay, now what we will do? First we will give alcoholic KOH. Okay, heat. Alcoholic KOH and heat. You know that whenever a bromoalkane is given an alcoholic KOH and heated, that is called dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. Okay, that is called dehydrohalogenation because a halogen is removed and a hydrogen is removed. Okay, a halogen is removed and a hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen is removed from the beta carbon. Okay, this is your beta carbon. The carbon to which the halogen is directly bonded, the carbon to which the halogen is directly bonded is called alpha carbon, and next to the alpha carbon is your beta carbon. So what will happen in dehydrohalogenation? When you give alcoholic KOH and heat, the bromine will be removed from alpha carbon and a hydrogen from the beta carbon. Bromine will be removed from alpha carbon and hydrogen from the beta carbon. So due to elimination of these two molecules, you will get a alkene. You will get a alkene. Okay, due to elimination of beta hydrogen from beta carbon and bromine from alpha carbon, you will get a double bond between alpha and beta carbon. Between alpha and beta carbon you got a double bond. Okay, that is what alcoholic KOH do. It converts a bromoalkane or haloalkane to double bond. Okay, how? It will remove the hydrogen from beta carbon and halogen from alpha carbon, and a double bond will be introduced between alpha and beta carbon. Okay, alpha carbon is which? The carbon to which the bromine is directly connected is alpha carbon. Beta carbon is the carbon next to alpha carbon is beta carbon. So you got a double bond between them. Okay, now we have to convert this into this. Simple, very easy. You give only HBr. Okay, and you know when we give HBr directly, that is Markov-Nikov addition. Markov-Nikov addition. What is Markov-Nikov addition? To any double bond, if you add any halogen acid, HBr, HCl, Hi, to any double bond, if you add a halogen acid, HBr, HCl, Hi, the halogen of that HBr, HCl or Hi, that halogen part will be introduced in that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen. Okay, the halogen will be introduced in that carbon of the double bond. You see, in double bond there are 2 carbons. So the halogen will be introduced in that carbon of the double bond which has lesser number of hydrogen. Okay, so out of carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, carbon number 2 has lesser number of hydrogen, so bromine will be introduced there. Okay, and the double bond will be converted into single bond. The halogen will be introduced in that carbon of the double bond which has lesser number of hydrogen and a double bond converted into single bond. That is your Markovnikov addition. So in the two-step method, you got 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. So that's all for this type of combustion. Thank you all.